Hey developers, what's up guys? Welcome back to Developers. It's Amin. Today I'm going to talk about props and how you can destruct them in React.js. Never miss this video, and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for supporting me, and now let's go. Nicely done. We are still on the subject of props in this video, and of course, as I said, I want to talk about how we can destruct props in React.js. First, I want to talk about the first way that you can destruct props in your application, and it's all about making the other object in your function. For example, I want to use this const curly braces, it's an object, it's equal to, and we should put the same and the exact name that we use here and we access here. We should use it like these props and save the project. So if we want to use props destructuring and do not use props dot, for example, image or title or author anymore, we should use something like this, making an object and put the property of our props here. For example, image, title, we have title, and of course author here. And when we have saved our project, I should remove all these props dot. There is no changes on the result of our project on our web browser, and you can see that we have created an object and use our props here. There is no props dot in our HTML return. The other way that you can destruct your props in React.js application is making an object like the same thing here in your function. And if I want to talk about it, I want to comment this part of code. Now I want to put here an object, a curly braces. As I said, we should put our props property here, title and author. And when I save this part of our code, you can see there's no changes here in our application. These two ways, making an object of our return and the other object in our function, is two ways to destruct our props in React.js application. It was all about props and how you can destruct props in your application when you are working with React.js. Now we are at the end of our video today, and know that in the next video I will talk about list and how you can map on your list in React.js. It's so important. Do not lose our next video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching me guys. Be nice and farewell developers.